Hello, welcome to another video. Today it's Dave Day. So this is our little procession. We're heading up the A590 to meet the main procession later on. So the main procession will be coming in the opposite direction to us. We're heading out of Barrow and just met at Ulverston, and we'll be meeting everybody else that's probably coming up the M6 as we speak. So there is a biker spot called Oasis Wildlife Park. They do bike nights and things, so there's a lot of people who meet up there. So that's my dad in front. We've just come back from the Pyrenees. We did that on the Vosges 800 and the Vosges 300 rallies, and today we've swapped, and now I'm on the KTM 1290 Super Adventure and he's on something probably a bit more appropriate for this kind of thing, the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, which I must admit looks cool with those modifications, especially with the jazzy colourful shirt on. Then we've got Brad behind us. He's on his Yamaha Cruiser. That thing looks sweet as well and sounds awesome. I just fancied coming on something different to the bike that I've just done 2,000 miles on. Right, catch you when we get to either Oasis or Fortin. It's a very professional sign. Plenty of bikes here, that's for sure. So we're here at Oasis Wildlife Park. We are getting ready to set off to join the main convoy. There is plenty of people here, as you can see. This is in the field here, and then there's more bikes over there as well. We'll get out on the road soon. This is it. Everyone's moving. Nothing like motorbikes to bring everyone together. So now we're off to meet the main convoy, the main procession along the motorway. So they'll be coming off the motorway and joining the A590, and I think we'll be just catching them there on the slip road. We're just on the A6 and we are literally just about to merge onto the A590. So there's hundreds of bikes here waiting for the main convoy, and then I think we're going to all filter in. So that's the main convoy just passing across the A590, and we're just going to filter in. Officially in Dave's Day Parade. So we're just approaching Ulverston now. Literally every roundabout, every lay-by, every junction, every bridge has just had people on it waving, photographing, cheering. It's absolutely immense. And as we get into the bigger towns, as we get into Ulverston, and then as we get into Barrow, it's only going to get even more people Literally, if you don't own a motorbike, you are stood outside waving at them. And this is where we started this morning when we set off. Chaos! And there you go. Well, that was Ulverston. Let's see what happens in Barrow. And here we are, going down Abbey Road now. So we're heading down Abbey Road now. This is where most of the people will be on the way into Barrow. A million high fives. Please don't pull me off my bike. Could have a worn out glove at this rate. Hello, there's my family. The final stretch now. I thought about bombing off really fast, but I think check out that whole thing. That's cool. Tell you what, this takes some concentration. And there we go, everybody. That's Dave Day. So there we go everyone, that was Dave Day. I hope you've had a good Dave Day, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, bye bye.